and Noah.
Hi.
My name's Jack. This is Noah.
Hi.
So I will make a Nutella chip marshmallow sandwich today.
Oh, that's good.
So what I will need is a marshmallow, Nutella, some chips. You can make as many as you want if you're doing this at home. You just need to make sure you need to make sure you have chips. You can pick whatever chips you like. So yeah. So first I'm gonna cut into the marshmallow. And the reason I'm cutting into this is because I'm gonna put Nutella inside it. So I might need to use this end to like put it in the thing. So yeah. Here we go.
That's looking good, Jack.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Ah!
Okay. So yeah.
Why?
I might need a little more.
That's good, Jack.
So I might spread some on the outside.
Hey, Jack, that looks good.
Okay. I only have like 1 minute to go or something. And I'm going to spread some Nutella on the chip.
That's good.
I might do the neck of the chip too.
I keep falling off. No. I keep falling off.
Okay. I might put some on the. Yeah, I need to go really quick now. I have less than a minute probably. So here we go. Let's try this out. No, do you want to have a go to try it too?
Yeah.
Me first. That's good. No.
Oh, I want to make a new one.
Okay. See you next time, guys. Bye.
It's worth it.